What up guys, welcome back to the personal channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of the classic sneakers, one of the sneakers that was popular back in the days, all the way back in 1972. And to me that's what makes it even special, the fact that, and probably a lot of us watching this video right now, we're not even born by then, but today I'm able to bring to you a sneaker that was back then, one of the hot sneakers. So being able to experience it, being able to touch it, being able to feel and have this sneaker in my hand to experience it is really special, as if I'm able to touch what is back there. I don't know if you know what I mean, but yeah, without too much talking, let's just get into the unboxing, and we're gonna start by first taking a quick look at the box. Comes in a very normal Adidas box, the blue and white. This is the size tag on it, Adidas Trefoil logo printed all over it. Now let's just get into the sneakers themselves. Adidas paper. We meet another plain paper. That's really cool. It tells you how special these sneakers are. Now, this is amazing. Box to the side, sneakers to the front. So this is the sneaker. Have a look. This is special. This is really special. The vintage vibe, all the way back in 1972. Present here in 2022. How many years? Do the calculation and tell me in the comment section. So at the back panel we have the suede in blue. It goes all the way from the back to the toe, into the toe box, the front suede, and it also has a canvas panel on the side and also on the inside as well. We also have the Adidas 3 stripes in white. I think these are synthetic leather. Yeah, feels like these are synthetic leather. Yeah, and somewhere in the midsole we have the high-res red going across. It has Adidas hidden somewhere in the midsole, which is really cool. I love it. Also at the back we can see the Adidas original logo at the heel. Now let's take a look at the bottom. Take a look. These are special, well made. Okay, the materials on these, really special, and that's what makes me like the classic sneakers a lot, because back then sneakers were really made well. They were made to last. That's the whole thing. Take a look. And I also love this zigzag thing at the outsole. Now on the tongue, we have some perforations going on. I hope you can see that. Yeah, we have some perforations all over the tongue. And this is the first sneaker to feature the first Adidas sneaker to feature the Trefoil logo. I think this is written in German. It's really cool. You know, nice nylon laces. The insoles. I think these are removable. Oh, you can remove them. Cool. Really nice. Now on the other leg, it's pretty much the same thing. Just that it has the tags around it. And these are available for sale in size 42. You can check our Instagram page, The Personal, and let's take a quick look at both of them. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.